I'm sorry. Thank you so much sa 17 million views at saka 50 thumbs up. Ay, ang haba na. I always wearing short. Oh, hello man, like pakigol. Oh, pakigol talaga si Tamara. Ang daldal. Hello, my sister. Thank you so much, sister. Alam ko you're so very busy, but can you speak English, my sister? Yung sister ko talaga, she's fluent in English because she's a valedictorian. Oh, you know, she's a valedictorian, but me, I'm ano ba yun? Opposite of valedictorian. You know what is opposite of valedictorian? That is why, don't say bad words, my sister. That is why, don't say bad words. I know she's fluent in English because she's a valedictorian, but me, I'm the opposite of valedictorian. You know that. And then she stay in Canada na, right? She stay in Canada, and then she speak more fluent in English. Diba? Alam nyo, if hindi magagamit masyado yung, alam mo, if you don't speak English, parang napupurol ka lang, hindi na mahasa yung English. Ano ba yan? Tamara, why are you laughing? Tamara, are you okay? Nako. Sister Carla, please help me. You type her in English. You type. I really miss you, my sister. Dati yung sister ko, ulit talaga, madalas ka talaga kami nag-aaway niya noon. No, di ba kasi isang 1 year lang yung ano namin. Oh, talaga, madalas kami nag-aaway, pero ngayon, I really miss you talaga, sis. Oh, parang naiyak ako, wag na. No. Oh, sasabihin, tapos, di ba? How many years na ba tayo hindi nagkita in person? I think 10 years. 10 years na ba when Papa's gone? Oh, when Papa's gone, we're not meant for each other. Someday sana makapunta ka rito sa Japan. She's in Canada right now. Canada and Toronto is in malamig na ba dyan? And Canada, Toronto and Vancouver. Toronto pala. Where's Plets? Plets, how are you? How are you, Plets? Yung anak niya. Oo. Tamara, Madam Carla, kapatid niyo po ba? Yes, she's my younger sister. She's in Canada now. Oh, di ba? Thank you, sis, kahit I know you're busy in your work and busy with your kids, going to school and back to school. Pero dumaan ka sa akin. What's the English of dumaan? When you arrive? When you pass by. Ay, Tamara, kasalanan mo to kasi you told me that you have to speak English, Ermina. It's your fault talaga, Tamara. If I'm mistaken the English, talaga to si Tamara. Oh, parang nangaasar sa akin. Oh. Pero I like English, but my English don't like me. Thank you.